What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you it's in the water too for lab rat. In this, we need to search Banpa and find anything related to chemical production. So once again, we'll be heading across all the way to the far east side of the map over here. Now landing back at Banpa, we'll head back to the same building we've come to pretty much twice at this point, all the way near the center of the town, the Elder's house right over here. Just be aware, this is a PvP zone. There's other players, probably other factions, and of course, enemy AIs in the plenty. Now for this mission, you will need a key in order to get in, but there's a workaround currently that hasn't yet been patched out where you can just sort of parkour your way in without needing the key on you, which is going to save us quite a bit of time. But of course, if you're coming here, someone may have already opened up the door anyways, giving you free access, even if you don't have the key. Now, in order to find this key when you're in the area, you'll need to stick nearby the center building over here and just get some AI kills in the general surrounding areas. I'm pretty sure throughout the entire town, bots will have a chance to drop this key, but it seems like none of these ones have, unfortunately. So essentially what you'll be doing is coming into the bottom floor of this building over here as such, and inside of here, just to the left, there's a door over here that needs the BP Elder key in order to get in. The sneaky way of coming around is there's another window like this inside of the room that we need to get into. So we'll exit around the back of this house, head down this hill here. Oh geez, don't kill me. Oh geez. Alright, so coming back to the bottom of this double-story house over here, you'll see this little blue thing over here. Essentially, we'll climb up onto this, hop over onto this little vent, and into that far right window over there. This should help us bypass needing a key, but of course, at some stage in the future, this will be patched. There we go. Making a jump across to this one, we'll head all the way across this to the next window over here, and we should be able to just vault into it. So, spamming spacebar. No, just to the right of center. There we go. There we go. Cool. Now we've made our way in. We had to stand pretty much just in the center here, although a bit to the right in order to get in, and touching the wall, jumping up, we got in. It's a little bit annoying to get. It took me a couple of attempts, but anyways, once you're inside of here, you'll need to just walk around this room for a little bit, and shortly after, there we go, touching this door here, it's let us get the task complete. So the only thing left to do now is to get all the way back to spawn, and of course, I didn't actually need to open this, which saved quite a bit of time. Once again, if you do want to come here, you may need the key if this parkour is already fixed, the BP Elder key. When you get back to base, open up your vendors, head across to Lab Rat, and we can hand in this mission. There we go. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.